Hey people, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss TCS NQT coding question which was asked on 26th March 2026. So the question is you'll be given an integer array. Your task is to find the maximum product of contiguous subarray within an array and return the product. So the contiguous subarray means elements that are next to each other in a sequence. For example, to show this like in the sequence like 2 and 3 are contiguous subarray. 2 and minus 2, this 2 and minus 2 are not the contiguous subarray, right? Like minus 2 minus 2 4 is also not contiguous subarray, right? 2 3 minus 2 4 is a contiguous subarray. So this is an original array. We will move towards the like test case. So for as of now, like product maximum product is 6. How means like we will be like using in this program in this question a brute force technique, that is we will be traversing from first element to last element. Okay, like 2, as in the starting the 2 will be the maximum element. Okay, like we will be traversing from first element to last element, right? So we will be traversing 2 into 3 is 6. So if I multiply, we have to find my product, right? So if I multiply 2 and 3, I will get a maximum as a 6, right? Again, 6 is multiply with minus 2 means first I multiply 2 and 3. Again, if I multiply 6 and minus 2, I will get 12, right? So 12 is like minus 12, sorry. Minus 12 is like maximum than 6. No, it is not maximum than 6. So 6 will only be retained. Again, minus 12, we got minus 12 if I multiply here, right? I'm not talking about the maximum value, I'm talking about the this value. Okay, minus 12 you got, right? So minus 12 is multiplied with 4. Again, I will get minus 48. Again, minus 48 is not the greater than 6, so 6 will only be retained. Again, and then maximum uh, product value we got is 6, so that we will be returning. Okay, so we will move to the next test case, that is minus 2 0 minus 1. Here minus 2 is at the starting position, minus 2 will be only the maximum value. Again, minus 2 is like multiply with 0. Again, 0 will be the maximum, like 0 is greater than minus 2, right? So like that. So again, minus 0 is multiplied with minus 1. Again, we'll get the value as 0 only, and then we will find we'll get our final answer as 0 only as a maximum product, right? So I hope you understood the overview of this question, and I hope you understood how to solve this. So please solve on your own by pausing this video. We will move towards the programming part also. So before moving to the programming part, please subscribe to our channel Gen Z Tech for latest corporate and company hiring updates. So we'll be moving towards the pro, like program. So we have written a program, like we have used here written the program in a brute force way. So here I have taken a scanner class. Okay, so these are the test cases. So I have called that method called maximum prod one, like uh, I have passed the array also. So first what I have declared, I have initialized the variable with a zeroth element. Okay, like first the starting I told by explaining that at the starting we will be having the 2 as a maximum product, right? So that's the thing. So here I have run a loop from 0 itself, and I have run an inner loop also from I. Okay, first it will start from 0, and then inner loop will start from I. Okay, so first I both I and j will be pointing at 2, and again then inner loop will okay start running. J will also be pointing at 2 itself, and the prod value will be 1. Okay, initialized with 1. So we will be continuously multiplying each element. Okay, what's the j value? 2, right? Sorry, 0. What's the prod now? 2. 2 again, then 2 and 3 will be multiplied. Well, what we will get the as a solution? 6. Again 6 we got it. 6 into minus 2 will be multiplied. What we will get? Minus 12. Minus again minus 12 and multiply with 4, we will get minus 48. In this 4, what was the maximum? 6 was the maximum. So in the max prod 6 will be stored. Okay, it's kind of like that. Again I will be pointing towards the next element, right? then I is pointing towards the 3, that is 1, and j is also pointing towards the 3. Again the loop will run until the end of the array. Like 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 is greater than 6. No. Again minus 3 into, sorry, 3 into minus 2 is 6. 6 into 4 is 6. 6 4s are 24. Minus 24, I guess. Yeah, minus 24 is greater than 6. No. Again 6 will only be the maximum product, right? Again it will come to minus 2 I value, and j will also be coming towards the I value, right? So it will be pointing at the second position, that is minus 2 val element. Minus 2 into minus 2 into 4 is how much? Minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 is greater than 6. Again it will compare. Again the 6 is only the maximum. It will only be stored in the max product, right? So then at last it will return 6. I hope you understood this code, right? It's a easy code, right? We'll run this program and we'll see how it will work. So we have run this program, I guess. Yeah. So what's the input? Like we have four elements. Like what are the elements? 2, 4, 3, minus 2 and 4, right? Okay, if I click and enter, see we got the output as 6. So if I give this elements also, we'll get the same output, I guess. Yeah, it should, we should get the same output, right? Like 0. So I will run, oh sorry, for 3 elements, and then I will paste and I will remove the comma. See we got the output as 0. So this was the code. This was the easy code. So I hope you understood this question and program, that is solution. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.